At Winter Equipment, we know you want to grow your business. To grow, you need reliability and reduced expenses. Uneven blade wear causes you unplanned downtime and wasted money by reducing blade life. We understand growing your business is difficult. That's why we developed the very first Plow Guard Blade Saver. We've evolved that concept over 35 years to develop the Xtendor Universal, which uses super hard cast steel combined with our patented Impervium Carbide. This eliminates uneven blade wear, giving you the full life of your steel blade. Order an Xtendor Universal for each of your worst wear areas so you can stop wasting money on unused steel and reduce risk to your contracts. Start putting your time and money into your business, not your blades.